So what's going on? Yeah, so today I'm gonna teach you guys the whole thing about arbitrage, the arbitrage game. So you want to know how to do the arbitrage? Let me show you how to do it. So I will go to Fiverr, right? Go over here, sign in right quick. Shout out to everybody that's coming in, though, that's checking this out. Really appreciate y'all. What am I doing? I gotta go back to this. Sign in. So boom. So Fiverr is a website basically where you can get anything done digitally for, you know what I'm saying, for the low ski. It's ridiculous. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to sign in right quick. So check it. This Fiverr right here. It's the Fiverr game. So basically you can come right here, right? And get anything done for you for $5. Well, it's starting off at $5. You know what I mean? So you can get graphic design, you know what I mean, logo designs, flyers, brochures, you know what I'm saying, packaging designs. It's crazy. It's crazy. Now we're gonna look into this. If you're having all kind of stuff popping up, let's look into this. Look at this. I will design a business logo for you for starting at $5. $5. $5. Now you see, you got other people that they get more deeper into it. He got his starting off at 35. You got some real nice stuff right here. Got to get an up-to-date computer. And look at this. He sold this. These people be getting money too, man. Look at this. Let me show you how many times he done sold this. He done sold this. Let's see. Well, right here. It says it right here. Where is it? So I can show you guys. I'm moving a little too fast, but I think he took it off. Because they normally have it right. Okay, boom, he sold it 52 times. You know what I mean? 52 times. Now do the math at $35. That's just starting off. And then you go right here. You got premium orders. So boom. So now we talking about arbitrage, right? So the arbitrage game is pretty serious. So basically, what you do is you go on here at Fiverr, you know what I'm saying, get somebody that can do you a job for $5 and then turn around and sell it for whatever price that you wanted at. You know what I mean? It's real crazy. Like, who would ever thought that you can go online and get some? And a lot of these people be from all around the world. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you look at their names and like, let's see where this person's from. If you look at their names, you know what I mean, and see where these people from. So it's all about your research. Always do your research. A quick Google search, quick reference, you know what I mean, can take you a long way. Look at this. See what I mean? Bangladesh. He's not even from America. You don't even know who this is. And look, he's doing a job for you for $10. He'll do a social book marketing for $55. That's pretty cool. Social book marketing means that he'll put your website on a lot of different other websites. You know what I mean? He'll give you a shout out to his fashion Instagram for 160K. That's how many followers he got for $10. You know what I mean? This is crazy. For $10. And you got marketing companies that turn this. Let me get y'all the game. A lot of marketing companies. What the marketing companies do, they turn around right? And they just holler like at 20 different people who do this same thing, and they make a little budget, and they just do their promotion, and they'll charge you like 1,500 while they getting this job done from this computer geek that has like 20 Instagram accounts, and they send it out all day. It's the arbitrage game, man. If you want to know more about it, y'all just hit me up. You know what I mean? In the link below. You know what I'm saying? Check out my I have a Facebook secret group. You know what I mean? Get into it. You know, every month I got all kind of different games that I'm talking about, and we can get more deeper into this. You know what I mean? I just be trying to drop a little bit of jewels with y'all, and this is my first video that I'm dropping on it. So, you know what I mean? I appreciate the love. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the link below. You know what I mean? Check me out in the group. You know what I'm saying? We can get it popping. Peace.